Welcome to Crowded Lab channel. Today I have on review software, which is unified platform where you can set up your status page, add monitoring for your websites, and as well you can set up on-call flows with this system. It is called OneUptime. I played a bit with this software and I must say that I am very excited about this tool. At the moment, OneUptime is also available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, and I must say that this is a great deal. You can set up your monitors to view uptime of your landing or other specific pages. You can combine monitors into dashboard pages. You can create and manage incidents. Let's say you can hire support engineer on Fiverr who will be monitoring incidents and handling those. And one more great feature that this OneUptime tool provides is building workflows. For example, you can set up different conditions based on state of the incidents. If someone creates or resolves an incident, you can get notification in Slack message. And it is insane, but OneUptime provides integration with more than 5,000 applications. And to build such workflows, usually you need a separate tool like ActivePieces or Zapier. But with OneUptime, it is included in the deal. With AppSumo deal, you have all of the features included, and the only difference is in the number of active monitors. And a monitor could be a status of your landing page. It is one monitor. So see for yourself how many will you need. Maximum that you can have with this deal is 500 with license tier 3. And before we jump into the review and demo of OneUptime, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos. Also, please check my affiliate links to this tool in the description. And now, moving to the demo. Starting with monitors. I have one created for landing page. Let's say I want to make sure that search results page works always on NameKetchup website. It is a pretty important functionality for this website, like so. It shows domain names and usernames available. So let's create a monitor for that page. For the monitor type, we have several options. The first one, API, it means you can monitor functionalities like this one. Let's say your website provides weather updates. This is a free API for weather forecast, and you can set up monitoring that particular API works well on your website. This one, for a particular location, provides weather forecast. We can set up some manual monitors, can have ping or check-in IP monitors, or we can react on incoming requests. Let's say your website can send requests indicating that it is up and running. For the search result, let's choose a website option. Go next. Paste in URL. Now let's see the detailed settings. Criteria, check if offline. Filter condition, any of these filters. If website is not online or response status is not 200, 200 means page works well. Then the monitor will go into offline state. And there will be created incident that website is down with severity critical. Also, this incident will be resolved automatically if the page will go back online based on these criteria. Is online true if response status equals to 200. Let's go next. And let's set that we are checking this monitor every minute. This is great interval. And with all AppSumo tier plans, you have ability to check your monitors each minute. Selecting who owns these monitors, team members, and in particular, I have one team member. Go next. No labels needed. Create monitor. We have two operational monitors, and we can combine those in status pages. I have one created. Let's view it. Go into monitors. Create status page resource. Add in search result. And next. And if you go to overview of status page, we can see the link which we can click, where we can find our monitors and status of those. So we can put this on Big TV or share with your team members, or let's say with virtual assistant or support engineer. You can overview existing monitors. You can see created incidents. You can see announcements. In OneUptime, you can also schedule maintenance events, and you can subscribe for updates for this board. What is also great to have is that you can add your brandings to those status pages, and you can make it available not to everyone, but by login and password. And to show you OneUptime in action, I've created one more monitor for this blog post, which I will make unavailable. We can see the status of monitor offline. We can see in operational monitors. We can see active incident with status critical. As well, on the status page, we can see that there is incident in progress. We can see that one monitor is down. We can find an incident, and we can view it from the dashboard as well. Also, there is additional feature called on-call duty, available for AppSumo plans, where you can define policies and escalation rules. For example, if incident is not being resolved for some time, we can notify particular team members and can repeat the action until the incident is resolved. And we can track execution of this on-call policy to track how hired support engineers or virtual assistants deal with accidents. I have brought the page back online, and we can see all monitors are up and running. We also can see the history that this monitor was offline for 11 minutes. We can see auto-resolved incident. So when the page went back online, this incident resolved itself. We also had an option to resolve that manually. So that's how monitoring works. But there are some more additional features. For example, we can see in the settings of a particular monitor probes section. And we can see that this monitor is being checked from 2 locations, from United States and from Europe. This will give you even more safety for your website or resources that you monitor. There can be cases where a website is available from United States, but not from Europe. One more additional feature is that OneUptime provides API access. It means with automation tools like Zapier, you can, for example, get the list of all active incidents and create your own dashboards. You can resolve incidents with those tools, or you can grab some statistics. All right, moving to the conclusion. I am very impressed with OneUptime solution. I saw some monitoring options on AppSumo previously, but usually those contain only part for creating monitors. But OneUptime is a platform which combines monitors with which you can see status of your website, website pages, APIs, status, but as well it includes a robust solution for your incident management. So you or your team members, virtual assistants can be notified if something is wrong with website. Additionally, you can create automations. For example, incident happened, you can get a message into Slack channel. Incident resolved, again, message to Slack channel or other application. And with these deals, you get all of the functionality. Again, great deal structure. Just see how many monitors you will need and pick up the license tier you want. For the license tier number 3, you can have 500 active monitors. Pretty generous amount. Please check the link to this tool in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.